right? So you can see the condition. Apply it only in 1 minute time frame because it makes very quick waves. Stock will make quick waves. The time is 1 minute only. You can give the same stop loss like which you have given for EMA. This is the position where the RSI reached 70 and the stock price RSI started going down. Even the 6 EMA started going down. So you can short it and take 0.2%. So this will be the same when the stock price, the RSI, it touches 30, and when it goes up, check the condition of EMA. It was not going up. Okay. After a while, it started going up. So you can buy it and take 0.2% and then exit. But I advise you to short sell only. You should short sell only. Otherwise, like by going for long is also fine, but I advise you to go for short selling. It is more easy compared to buying it first and selling it later. Here you can see the RSI reached 70 and then it started going down. But you can see that the 6 moving average lines are still parallel. You need interest, but after a while it went down and you could get profit. But do not do that until you confirm the RSI. Yeah, 0.4% stop loss. Right now I'm not sharing anything. So are you clear with that? Because those who have been, if you have been trading, you will definitely understand. Others will not understand this. Fine, man. Like you attended the session lately. Hold on a second. Let me kick out something. Hold on a second. Yeah. There is no extra setting to show gray part. When the stock price, when the RSI goes above 70 for a while, it will show a gray shaded portion. SIP outliner, you can please exit the session. Our short selling is nothing. You can sell first and buy later. You can sell at higher price and buy at lower price. Then you will get profit. If you don't know that, how will you understand all these things? You might have not attended the basics properly. Don't place orders, and that's what you should not do until it's confirmed. Yeah, short selling is preferred more, and it is more convenient and easy to trade. You should use it for short selling. It's more convenient, and that is advised by me. You watch it the same. So it is the best. It like RSI and EMI can be used whenever, like mostly after 2 p.m. At that time, you will see the stock will be making continuous wave. It will always work whenever you see RSI is going down from overbought or oversold, where is going up or down. How will you not get all these things whenever you are using an app? You are using some wrong kind of app. I'll help you with that, Manikanda. You are using some wrong app, or there is some app, like some problem with your network or the browser. Okay. At the opening, you can enter, but mostly if the market is stable, what will happen is that the stock will go up or down. Like mostly, if the market is not stable, only you can enter at that time using RSI and EMA. Yeah. You can take RSI, I'll explain that, it's nothing. You just go to studies, just hold on. Money and I will solve it out. You can call me tomorrow, okay? Or text me, I will solve it out. You should use Saroda if Kodak doesn't provide. Leave that topic. This is not what I am here to like teach you. The session is almost over. I'll like wind it up by starting it from A to Z. Okay. You can add the RSI values or you can add the RSI indicators from studies and search for RSI. After searching for RSI, give period 12, overbought 70 and oversold 30. Okay. Apply only on watch list. Bollinger is not given like. So what you should do is that good time to enter is 2 to 3. Or whenever you see that the stock is making wave, you can enter. It's not strict that you should wait till 2 and you should trade from 2 to 3. Suppose from 12:30 the stock might be will start to make wave. The Bollinger is not given now. It's not given like it's not provided now. Okay. So yeah, you can combine it with EMA. If you are changing time frame, what will happen is that your entry points vary. Just let me conclude it. Okay, everyone just listen to it. No session for Bollinger and all. No. Yeah, it was given like that because the channel name was like that before, even before. It was not meant for like the premium. But utilize the RSI strategy properly. The most of the premium members are making money out of wave. Okay, you'll understand that once you start doing it from tomorrow. For those who have been trading using EMA, will properly understand the potential of this. Let me explain it from A to Z. You can use the RSI strategy by clicking on RSI from studies and then give period 12 and then give 70 as overbought level and then you can text me and then 30 as oversold. Okay, 70 as overbought and 30 as oversold. So whenever you see that the RSI value just touches 70 and when it goes down, you just check the condition of the 6 EMA line. If it goes down or if it is in the same way or if it is showing a downward trend, you can short sell it, take 0.2% profit and exit. This is mainly for scalping. Do not wait for 0.4 or 0.5% and don't tell that it's not like helping me out or like don't tell anything like that. Always take 0.2% profit, 0.2% profit. And even if it's going up from 30, if it touches 30, that is the oversold condition. And if it goes up, the EMA will be and check with the EMA lines. If it is also showing that it's an upward trend, you can place a buy order, take 0.2% profit and exit. You can enter 3 to 4 times, but if you're ready to enter 3 to 4 times, you should increase the investment. So then only you will be like, otherwise the Saroda will take brokerage and you want to getting more profit if your investment is very less. Use always 1 minute candles. Okay. I've explained that this is scalping. Okay, you should have been using scalping. So if you are using scalping, what does it mean? You can take your profit. You should just wait for 1 or 2 candles or even just seconds. You can combine whatever strategy you want there, Meta. Now I'm explaining about RSI, which will help you to make money when the stock is making wave. Are you clear with it? Those who have been trading in the market are like so quiet because they know what to do with this strategy from tomorrow. That's why they are not talking. They're not confusing others also. Isn't it? Yeah. So you utilize this RSI strategy very well. Whenever you see that the stock is making wave, enter in the next wave whenever you see RSI and EMA. You don't have to wait until the stock come out of wave and all. Clear, right? Elections will definitely affect the market.